Are you dealing with stomach pain, bloating, or discomfort? It could be due to stomach bacteria like H. pylori. Let's explore some natural remedies you can try at home. First up, eat probiotics. Foods like yogurt and kefir can help restore the good bacteria in your gut. Next, garlic is nature's antibiotic. Chew on 1-2 cloves daily or add it to your meals for a boost. Don't forget to drink ginger or green tea twice a day. They soothe your stomach and help fight bacteria. A tablespoon of raw or manuka honey every morning can be a game changer against stomach bacteria. Start your day with warm lemon water. It cleanses your stomach and improves digestion. Avoid spicy foods, acidic foods, too much caffeine, and alcohol to keep your stomach happy. Remember, these remedies can help with symptoms, but always consult a doctor for serious infections like H. pylori. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and take care.